Hello, everybody. Today we are going to cover navigating worksheets. So if you have your cell A2 selected currently, you want to move to the end of your worksheet. Let's say, for example, F2. All you have to do is to hold the control button down and then press the right arrow to F2. If you want to move to I2, then you can actually hold the control button down again and click the arrow button right. If you want to navigate to the bottom of a long worksheet, what you can do is you can also hold the control button down and press the down button. And if you want to navigate to the end, then you can actually do so. So if you can see here, I have already navigated to cell A10485746. So by doing it, holding the control button down and the arrow button, you can actually navigate across the entire worksheet quickly. So thank you very much. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Goodbye.